Uber Eats gives drivers instant flexibility, but Grubhub often shows larger upfront payouts on single orders. That one difference changes how a lot of drivers make their money. By the end of this, you'll know which app pays better, which one is easier to work with, and which one makes more sense for your driving style. Here's the straight answer. Uber Eats is usually better for flexibility and order volume. Grubhub is often better for fewer but higher-paying deliveries. That's the big split. Start with order flow. Uber Eats is active in more areas and usually has more restaurant coverage. That means more pings and less waiting. Less waiting means a better hourly average. Even if each order pays less, volume can make up for it. Grubhub can be slower. But when orders come in, they're often larger. That's because Grubhub has a strong customer base for bigger meal orders. A single large family order can beat 2 small Uber Eats runs. Second is app freedom. Uber Eats lets you go online almost anytime. No scheduling pressure. That makes it easier for side hustlers. Grubhub uses scheduling in many markets. That can help you get priority access to orders. But it's less flexible. If you miss your block, that can hurt consistency. Third is pay structure. Both apps show estimated earnings before you accept. That helps you filter. A $6 order for 7 miles is usually weak. A $15 order for 4 miles is usually stronger. Drivers who focus on dollars per mile usually do better than drivers chasing every notification. That's true on both. Now expenses. Gas, maintenance, and taxes hit both platforms the same. A $100 day on Grubhub and a $100 day on Uber Eats are equal only if the mileage is equal. If Uber Eats took 40 miles and Grubhub took 25, Grubhub wins on profit. That's why mileage matters more than gross pay. So which one is better? If you want constant work and full flexibility, Uber Eats is usually stronger. If you want fewer trips with potentially higher payouts, Grubhub can be better. A lot of experienced drivers run both apps and switch based on demand. That gives them more control. Quick recap. Uber Eats wins on flexibility and order volume. Grubhub often wins on bigger single payouts. Profit depends on mileage, not just payout. Your next step is simple. Run both apps for 1 week and compare total earnings, miles, and time. That gives you the real winner in your market. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more gig app breakdowns.